welcome back. Today we have a new video in our series in JavaScript fundamentals. In this series, we try to answer famous JavaScript questions that you may face in your interview. So today we will talk about what is a cookie. So a cookie is a small piece of data that web server sends to a user's web browser, and the browser stores it locally. Cookies are used to store information about users' interactions with a website. They can be read and modified by both the server and the client in JavaScript running in the web browser. Cookies have various purposes such as maintaining user session, tracking user behavior, and storing user preferences. So let's just try to see how. Let's try to create a cookie at the first place. So we will create a cookie with the name and the value and the optional expiration date. So we have like a document. The cookie, for example, user name equals John Doe. For example, let's make it like John Doe like that, and we will make it an expiration date. So expires, for example, at this specific date. And we create the cookie. We want to read the cookie right now, so let's just read the cookie. So I'll say that okay. How to read the cookie? We want to read first. We did create the cookie. Read a cookie. So what I will do, I will say const cookie value, which will be equals document.cookie, and I will, if I console.log cookie value, I will get username John Doe. Let's just try to parsing a cookie value like in a utility function. So I'll create a function. I'll call it function get cookie value, and no need to load that. Get cookie value, and I will do first. I will go to the cookie array, const the cookie array, and it will be equals document.cookies.split, and I will create like a make a for loop, like for each cookie in of cookie array. I will say if the cookie first, as you can see, we try to get we make like each one of them array by itself, and I want to get first the cookie name and the cookie value. So I'll say const cookie name and cookie value. It will equals the cookie. I guess I should make term, like instead of also split, like I guess, but I guess with a split also it will work. Yeah, I guess it will also work. So right now I got the cookie name and the cookie value, and I'll say if the cookie name equals name, I will return the cookie value, and but we should return it in a decoded URI component, because to make it like quite secure. And if I didn't find anything, I will return null, for example, and I will try to call the function const username get cookie with username, and if I console.log username, I will get John Doe. So this is how we get cookie and how to create like a parsing cookie function values. We could modify a cookie, so let's just try to modify it. Document dot cookie, for example, the username will equals, let's call it new value, and if you try to console log it, it will be new value. It will work. We could delete a dot cookie if we want. So how we do this one is that first we set that modify. Modify a cookie. We want to delete the cookie right now. Delete cookie. Okay. And deleting a cookie, it will be like that. You just remove the value and that's it. The cookie is deleted. So in this example, we create a cookie named username with a value of John Doe and set the expiration date in the 31 of December 2023. The path attribute specify the path attribute, if you don't know, specify the path attribute specify the path for which the cookie is valid, and this means it's valid for the entire website. Just doing it like that. We read the cookie using document.cookie, which returns a string contains all the cookies. We define a get cookie value function to parse and receive the value of the specific cookie. We modify, as you can see here, we modify a username cookie by setting a new value and extending its expiration date to December. We did it here. We did it in, we expiration to, whoa, no, this was wrong. This was wrong. We want to make it 1st January of this 2023. This is expiration date. Let's extend the expiration date so we could make it like that. I don't know if it's Thursday though or no. I'm not maybe 24 maybe. I don't know if it's Thursday or no, but yeah, you could play with it. Just play with it and tell me if I put the date right or not. Like, just feel free to comment below. After that, we delete the username cookie by setting its expiration date with a past date. By this way, we deleted it by doing the expiration in a past date and make the username equals to nothing. So basically, cookies are commonly used for various purposes, such as user authentication, tracking user preferences, and maintaining user session on websites. However, it's important to use cookies responsibly. Be mindful of user privacy, and commonly with applicable regulations like the GDPR. To do not spy on the user. It's not good. It's not cool. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and I hope you like my content. If you like my content, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss a video, and see you in future problem.